Hey everyone, I'm going to show you how you can favorite channel in your YouTube TV. So if you want to add your channels to a list of your favorite channels, you can simply go to the live channels. In the channels, as you can see, there are all of the channels that are available on YouTube TV. You can go to this sort option right here and go to custom and edit. So after clicking on the edit section, you can favorite your channels by putting them in the top channels. So if I want to favorite my Fox channel, I can simply drag it and put it in my top channel. So if I want NBC, I can drag it, or I can simply click this top icon, move to the top channels. And when I click it, it is going to put it in my favorite channel list. So this is how you can put your channels, you can favorite your channels in a list. I hope this was helpful. Thank you so much for watching.